Hi guys, today we will learn how to do fluid design in Illustrator. This design is very attractive. We will start it now without any delay. For the design that we are going to make, we will first have to take a line, using pen tool for that. For color, we will prefer gradient color. Choose gradient tool, so I have already selected some colors, which we are going to use for gradient color. So let's quickly prepare the gradient. Right now, this will be the file color. If we invert it, then it will become stock color. Let's increase the stock a little bit. Now we will transform it. For that, we will go to Effects, then Distort and Transform. And here you will get the Transform option. We will bring the angle to 30 degrees and make the copies 5. Then press OK and it will be transferred to an angle of 5. Now we will give it a little curving effect. For that again, go to Effects, then Distort and Transform. And here there is an option, Zigzag. Now let's take a copy of this and make it a little bigger. Because we're going to be blending it, right now we will select both of them. To blend, go to Object option, then press on Blend and Make. Now we have to increase the blending step. For this, we will go to Blending Options and increase the step to 1000. Blending is done. Now let me show you how to convert it into a shape. For this, first we will draw a line with the Paint tool. We will select both of them and again go to Blend option and do Replace Span. Then it will be replaced above the line. So you can make any design by following these steps. That's it for today. I hope you learned something from the video. If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe. Thank you.